Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Blast. Blast means blow up. For example, quantities of solid rock had to be blasted away. Quantities of solid rock had to be blasted away. Synonyms: blow up, bomb, blow.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Another explosion blasted the other end of the street apart. Now, repeat after me. Another explosion blasted the other end of the street apart. The second exemplar. One tornado blasted apart a theater just minutes after a movie ended. Now, repeat after me. One tornado blasted apart a theater just minutes after a movie ended. The third exemplar. As the doors were blasted away, an audible gasp was heard from within. Now, repeat after me. As the doors were blasted away, an audible gasp was heard from within.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
A new English word is created every 98 minutes. That's 14.7 words per day.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.